So today is day 5. Today is day 6. Today is day, I don't remember which day. Today is day 6, I think, of the kitchen renovation and bedroom building project. Because the days are not actually consecutive and we have many days in between when I'm not working on the project, we actually have had a lot of time to kind of live in the space with these partial walls up. And we've decided to change the whole plan. So this is the benefit of being my own contractor, is that we get to make a bunch of decisions and then take everything down and build something new that we think will be better. So just to give a brief tour, so this blue room was going to be the kids' room, but now it's going to be connected to that room. We're gonna leave this open and it's gonna be kind of a combination family room, den area that will then morph into our kitchen space. So this wall is now going to be closed off, which means that we'll have a nice full wall in the kitchen where we can put up shelving or more pegboards, things like that. That's the plan today. So that means that today I get to take down the wall that I put up last week. All right, I've got a coffee and a cookie, feeling a little more motivated. I'm gonna start taking this wall down. So this room, which wasn't going to be its own room, but now is going to be the bedroom, has south-facing windows, which means it has really beautiful sunlight. And I'm torn on whether it's a waste to have really beautiful sunlight in a bedroom, because for the most part you're asleep and it's nighttime. But since we're about to have a baby, I'm probably going to be sitting in this bedroom for a really long time this year. I'm so glad to not be working with a contractor who would be getting really annoyed with me at this point when partway through the project I come in and I say, actually I want to do the whole thing differently. I don't want the bedroom here. I want it over there. And they'd say, ma'am, you need to make up your mind before you start a project. But instead, I get to do it myself and I get to change my mind as many times as I want. Time to remove some nails. Hazards have been neutralized. All right, I'm gonna go on a little adventure down to our basement because I want to pull these wires through the floor. That was one of them. We also tested this morning. This is totally this is not connected to anything else. So there's exposed wires, but this is a completely cut piece that's not connected. And the other one I turned the breaker off for, but it is also capped. All right, all the wires are now down here, so I don't have wires sticking up through the floor, which is great. I realized I made a mistake when I did the framing over here. I just attached these directly to the header, which means that because this trim overlaps and hangs down a little bit, I don't have anything to attach sheetrock to on the top. So I might just scab in little pieces of 2x4 up there. But I am gonna put in a piece of 2x4 up here and hopefully solve that problem for this fall. So I'm gonna I put these studs 24 inches on center because it's not a load-bearing wall. This is also not a load-bearing wall, I mean the one that I'm putting in, but I'm going to do them 16 inches on center because I want to put in a bunch of shelving on the kitchen side, and so I just want to have a bunch of vertical studs that I can use to install that shelving, so I'm trying to think ahead.